Borneo, one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth. The jungles here are teeming with wildlife. Living amongst orangutans, pygmy elephants, hornbills, and other creatures is a primate found nowhere else on this planet. Spending most of their lives on trees, they never stray far from rivers, coastal mangroves, and swamps. This is the realm of the Proboscis monkey, one of the world's most unusual primates. Being the largest leaf-eating monkey of Borneo, it gets its name from its large, fleshy snout. The male's nose is so large that it hangs down over its mouth. Female noses are smaller, while juveniles have small upturned noses. Proboscis monkeys swing through the trees and leap from branch to branch using all four limbs, moving slowly because of their weight. They live in organized groups that range from 3 to 30. There are bachelor parties and breeding groups consisting of a dominant male and 2 to 7 females and their offspring. The newborn has a deep blue face and sparse, almost black fur. The color changes to its adult colors at about 3 to 4 months. Various groups often come together and associate during the evening. This is when the greatest time of activity occurs. They congregate near the water's edge at night to sleep. Dawn, life on the rivers slowly come to life. This is a wonderful time to take a river cruise and see the unmistakable proboscis monkey. Usually feeding in the early morning, proboscis monkeys are primarily reliant on leaves, immature rather than older ones. They will also eat fruits and seeds. They have multi-chambered stomachs that allow them to extract the maximum amount of nutrition from this restricted diet. Their stomachs make up a quarter of their body weight, making them look permanently pregnant. Proboscis monkeys are good divers and swimmers. They leap into water when threatened and swim across channels and rivers when needing to move to new areas. Top proboscis monkey watching locations include the Kinabatangan Wildlife Sanctuary and Labok Bay in Sabah and Bako National Park in Sarawak. Few primates are as bizarre or charismatic as the proboscis monkey, leaving us with a lasting impression. It is because of these unique characteristics that the proboscis monkey has been chosen as the mascot for Visit Malaysia Year 2014. Celebrating one Malaysia, truly Asia.